What if I told you that saving 10,000 US dollars is not as hard as you think? Most people believe saving that kind of money takes years, but with the right strategy, you can do it in 12 months or less. Here's the truth. Most Americans are not broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they spend without thinking. The average American spends 200 US dollars a month on eating out, 150 US dollars on subscriptions they forgot about, and 300 US dollars on impulse purchases. That's 650 US dollars every single month gone. Just like that. So, step one, do a spending audit. Go through every single transaction from last month. Highlight everything that wasn't essential. You will be shocked at what you find. Most people discover they're wasting 400 US dollars to 600 US dollars every month without even realizing it. Step 2. Use the 503020 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills, 30% goes to wants, entertainment, eating out, and 20% goes straight to savings. Non-negotiable. The moment your paycheck hits, move 20% to savings immediately before you spend a single dollar. Step 3. Open a high-yield savings account. Regular banks pay 0.1% interest. Online banks pay 5%. Put your savings there and let it grow automatically. On 10,000 US dollars, that's 500 US dollars in free interest every year. Step 4. Cut your three biggest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. These three alone make up 70% of most people's spending. Negotiate your rent. Refinance your car loan. Meal prep instead of eating out. Just these changes can free up 300 US dollars to 500 US dollars every month. Step 5. Create one extra income stream. Sell things you don't need. Freelance on weekends. Drive for Uber. Even 300 US dollars extra per month gets you to 10,000 US dollars in under a year when combined with your savings. Here's the math. Save 500 US dollars from cutting expenses. Earn 300 US dollars from side hustle. That's 800 US dollars per month. In 12 months, that's 9,600 US dollars. Add your interest and you've hit 10,000 US dollars. Simple, achievable, real. The only difference between people who save 10,000 US dollars and people who don't, a decision. Make that decision today. Follow FinFlip for more money tips every week. See you in the next one.